हाय किड्स, वेलकम बैक। किड्स, इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट्स ए बी सी डी ए टू जी। लेट्स स्टार्ट। दिस इज ब्लू कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, येलो कलर, ग्रीन कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, violet color. Let's trace. We are tracing capital letter A. This is letter B. Kids, we are tracing letter C. Now kids, this is letter D. Green color. This is letter E. Kids, now we are tracing letter F. This is letter G. H. Orange color. I. This is letter J. K. L. Kids, this is yellow color. We are tracing letter M. This is letter N. Now kids, we are tracing letter O. This is letter P. Violet color. Kids, this is letter Q. Now kids, we are tracing letter R, letter S. This is letter T. Pink color. We are tracing letter U. This is letter V. Now kids, we are tracing letter W. This is blue color and we are tracing letter X. This is letter Y and this is letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.